Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about all display settings of your Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone, so today we're going to explore all display settings of our Samsung phone. So the very first, open your settings app. The very first thing I recommend you have to check for the latest update. So go to software update here, just click on check for updates and make sure that you are up to date. You might have any pending software update here. For check software update, you must need to connect with a network like your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once you have checked, so if there will be any pending update or any latest feature in your display setting, it will be installed on your phone. Once you have done, just go to display here. Now from very top, you can easily switch between light mode and dark mode of your phone. Now here some settings of your dark mode. Click on dark mode here. Now here you can also schedule your dark mode, like sometime if you want to dark mode automatically enable in night time, so you can enable this and then set schedule from here. I want to set a dark mode from here. Now from here you can customize your display brightness, and here you have also adaptive brightness or auto brightness feature. You can enable it and your phone will be automatically adapt any brightness. And then you have motion smoothness feature. You can select it high or standard. So if you have selected high, so you can see the difference between high and standard here in this section. Once you have selected, click on apply and your motion smoothness feature will be applied. Now here this is eye comfort sheet. Click on it to go to more setting. Click on it to turn it on and then select adaptive, or you can also select custom from here. You can customize your eye comfort shield. I'm gonna disable this. I don't want to use this feature here. And then the screen mode. Click on it. And from here you can select vivid or natural screen mode. If you selected vivid, so you can also change its white balance. And you can also get the preview of your white balance in this section. Here are some advanced settings. You can advancedly customize these colors from here. I'm gonna back from here. Now here's the font size and size. From here you can bold your font if you want to, or you can customize your font size from here. You can also get a preview of your font in this section. Here's the screen zoom. If you want to zoom your screen, so you can also do that by using this customizer, or you can also set it to as default. Scroll down. Here's the camera shortcut. You can add a camera shortcut to your apps. And here's the screen timeout. So you have to select after which time your screen will be turned off. And here's the navigation bar. You can also select your navigation bar. You can also add a easy mode. Just enable it. And you can see this easy mode. You can also make some more settings in this. I'm gonna disable this from here. And then you have a edge panel. You can add this edge panel to your phone. You can also customize your edge panel if you want to. You can also engage touch sensitivity and charging information, and you can also set your screen saver from here. So these are some display settings of our Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.